The sous vide cooking setting on your AEG command wheel oven with Steam Pro technology allows you to achieve restaurant quality results at home. Here, we'll get you started by giving you some tips on how to cook some popular sous vide options: a steak, a salmon fillet and some fruit. For a steak, turn the oven on, select heating functions and then select the sous vide function and press OK. Next, set the oven temperature to 54 degrees centigrade for a medium rare steak. Or if you prefer your steak cooked differently, you'll find other options in the assisted cooking menu. As sous vide is a steam setting, you'll need to fill the water drawer before pressing start to begin. Leave the oven to preheat and prep the steak. We recommend drizzling with oil and then seasoning to your taste before adding to a sous vide bag and vacuum sealing. Once the oven is up to temperature, add the steak to shelf position 2 or 3 and set the timer for 1 hour. Once cooked, remove it from the sous vide bag and pat dry. Sear the steak in a hot pan with some oil and butter to achieve the perfect colour before serving. Salmon is a great food to experiment with on the sous vide setting. For tender and moist salmon, cook at 50 degrees centigrade for 45 minutes. Or, if you prefer a firmer fillet, set the oven to 55 degrees centigrade. Or, for more of a sashimi style, cook at 42 degrees centigrade. Once complete, there is no need to sear the salmon, so you can simply serve. Finally, cooking vegetables or fresh fruit on the sous vide setting is a great way to draw out even more flavour. We are using pineapple drizzled with a little maple syrup and a splash of brandy. Once sealed, add to an 80 degrees centigrade sous vide oven for 45 minutes. Serve with the cooking juices and a scoop of ice cream for a delicious and easy dessert. By cooking gently at a low and very accurate temperature, the sous vide setting holds in nutrients, maximises flavours, and keeps food juicy, tender and delicious. You'll find additional information on sous vide cooking in your user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website, or if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.